Just-in-time inventory is a method of planning your inventory production so that the materials needed to make your product arrive just in time for production. In a traditional system, which we can call a push system, demand pushes our ordering. In other words, we anticipate demand, but then we push and make our order of our materials to meet that anticipated demand. Let's compare that to just-in-time. In a just-in-time system, which is a pull system, demand pulls the system. In other words, we get a customer order. When we get a customer order, that's when the inventory is needed. That's when we order and then we produce the product. So with just-in-time, the advantages to this system are that we're going to have or be able to have lower inventory levels. We're getting the inventory just in time that it's needed. We have it arrive the day that we're going to be producing that particular customer's product. We are able to have a decreased number of suppliers. We're going to have to rely on these suppliers. These suppliers are going to have to be on time. In just-in-time, we have fewer suppliers, but we're going to be needing more frequent deliveries because we are going to, instead of just getting the product maybe once a month, we're going to be getting weekly deliveries. Or a traditional system where we used to get a weekly delivery, now when we're using just-in-time, we get daily deliveries. I've even seen it where we have an AM shipment and a PM shipment. The inventory is arriving just in time. So we're not going to have as much inventory sitting here. The raw materials are not just going to be sitting here. We'd be able to save on our storage and our space for storing all of the inventory. But because we have to have that inventory when we need it, we're going to have fewer suppliers. They're going to be reliable suppliers, and we're going to have more frequent deliveries. Those are the key features of a just-in-time system.